ED has now got the 5 days remand of Hemant Soren. Remember, ED was initially asking for a 10-day remand. The court there had reserved its order, and probably for the time till the time the Supreme Court would have taken up the matter of the arrest of Hemant Soren, and 10 days was sought by the Enforcement Directorate. Priyank joining us live from Ranchi. Priyank, 5-day remand for Hemant Soren.
Yes, 5 days remand for the Enforcement Directorate to question Hemant Soren in this particular matter, which is related to the land scam. And the petitioners have also moved an application saying that the questioning of Hemant Soren should ideally happen inside the Hotwa jail because of the security reason, for which the court is yet to give its order. So the ED officials have left from the court and they have taken the remand copy, and they will be reaching to the Hotwa jail, from where Hemant Soren will be brought back to the ED office here in Ranchi. It's got to be an important 5 days for the former Chief Minister of the state. While the government formation is yet to happen, the swearing in of the Chief Minister has happened, but the floor test is yet to happen at least on 5th of February. And in the meanwhile, he'll have to be confronted with tough questions of the Enforcement Directorate pertaining to this particular case. The Enforcement Directorate had already maintained that they have found that there was a procedural crime which was rooted to the CM, the former CM of the state, Hemant Soren. So these things will be questioned in the next 5 days.
Right, but all developments that are also coming in the light, Priyank, when the Supreme Court did not give any relief to Hemant Soren, and after that order came in for Hemant Soren to have to approach the Jharkhand High Court, the other court there which actually announced the order that was previously reserved for his remand.
See, the low court order was certainly reserved for the apex court hearing, because there was no, reasoning which was given by the court, the PMLA court, to not to give the remand yesterday. Because in these kind of cases, the remand is given, the order copy can come out later on. So this was also one of the few times where the court, in the remand application for the first time, has said that we will give the order tomorrow. That was certainly because the petitions had moved to the Supreme Court, and that was certainly a delaying tactics from their part. And since the low court thought that they would have thought, this is my anticipation, that if the Supreme Court gives any adverse order in the arrest of the Enforcement Directorate, suddenly their order will have to be pulled back. So it was, with the best of my knowledge, the order was reserved, and now since the Supreme Court has rejected the plea of
so double setback to Hemant Soren in a single day. Priyank, thank you very much for the moment. ED, which earlier sought for 10-day custody, has now managed to get 5-day custody of Hemant Soren in the ongoing investigation.